Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making a delicious, crunchy and sweet treat, honey joys. Place 120 grams of butter into a saucepan on low heat. Keep stirring it occasionally so it melts smoothly without burning. Add 1/3 cup of brown sugar and 1.5 tablespoons of honey into the pan. Stir it together until the sugar completely dissolves and mixture becomes nice and glossy. We want it to be smooth. When it's bubbling, it's ready. While we are doing this, turn on your oven to 150 centigrade as well. Next, take 4 cups of cornflakes and add them to a large bowl. Gently pour the warm butter and sugar mixture over the cornflakes. Give it a nice gentle mix. Now toss in 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut and 1 tablespoon of peanuts. Give it a good stir to combine everything. Grab baking tray and line it with paper cupcake liners. If you don't have liners, you can grease the tray lightly. Using a spoon, scoop the mixture into the prepared muffin tray. Place the tray in the preheated oven and bake for about 15 minutes. Keep an eye on it and you will start to smell the sweet aromas as the honey joys bake to a golden crispy finish. Once baked, let them sit for about 15 to 20 minutes to fully set and firm up. It's all ready now. Pop one in your mouth and enjoy the crunch and sweetness. Thank you for watching and see you next time.